Wargaming is a wonderful hobby, but for newcomers, it can also be intimidating. As any player could tell you, it's expensive, it's time-consuming, and it takes a higher level of commitment than most other tabletop games. Pocket General then is here to solve those problems, helping to make miniature wargaming accessible for everyone, whether you're new to the hobby, whether you just want to get a friend involved, or even if you're traveling and you can't bring a massive tote of miniatures with you. Pocket General is a rules-agnostic wargaming system that allows you to substitute those miniatures with playing cards featuring high-quality, original, and of course, fully human-made artwork. It's highly affordable, it takes up barely any room on your shelf, and is ready to go right out of the box. In this Kickstarter campaign, we are enlisting your help primarily to raise money for more original artwork. First, we want to secure enough to get at least 2 functional armies on your table with some of the most iconic French and British military units from the Battle of Waterloo and the 100 Days campaign being represented. From there, as our funding allows, we'll expand the setting to include some of the many other forces allied to those armies, from Polish lancers to Hanoverian artillerymen, and of course, the Prussians. And should we be so fortunate as to complete all of that, well then we're going to look to other settings and ask all of you to help us choose among them. And that doesn't just mean Napoleonic stuff either. Ancient Rome, feudal Japan, Victorian South America, the African front of World War I, well, you name it. The amazing thing about this system is that so long as we can find a good artist, and we have the money to pay them a fair rate for their work, well, the sky really is the limit. There may even be some more fictionalized, spooky settings, if it all works out that way. So if you want to help make Pocket General a reality, well, you can read more about the project by visiting our Kickstarter page below, and of course, we're going to be in the comments there to answer any questions you may have. On behalf of the team, thank you so much for your time, your support, and I hope that you're as excited about this project as we are. We'll see you on the field.